Hello adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, today we're diving into the ultimate 216-piece survival first aid kit, a must-have for anyone who loves the great outdoors. This comprehensive kit is not just a first aid box, it's a multi-purpose survival toolbox packed with essential gear like a survival bracelet, multifunctional card, wire saw, and even a 7-in-1 spoon and fork, ensuring you're prepared for any emergency. With 180 pieces of essential first aid supplies, including bandages, a CPR mask, and antiseptic wipes, you'll be ready to handle any medical situation that comes your way during your wilderness adventures. The kit is housed in a durable 600D nylon MOLLE pouch, designed for easy portability and organization, making it a breeze to attach to your tactical vest, backpack, or belt. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or just exploring the outdoors, this high-quality survival gear is built to withstand harsh environments and is perfect for first responders, military personnel, and outdoor sports enthusiasts alike. It's an excellent companion for your car, home, or workplace, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected situations. So gear up and stay safe with this exceptional survival first aid kit, your reliable partner for all your outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.